Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment on Splitwise. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged in already, proceed forward with your credentials or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to add a new payment, you can tap on the Add Expense button. Now within the Add Expense option, you will be able to choose who you wish to share this expense with by simply entering your friend's name or entering the name of the group. Then enter the description of your payment and choose the appropriate display image. You can then enter your amount and also define the currency if you wish. Finally, choose who is responsible for this payment from the list of options. After choosing the individuals responsible, you can set up your schedule and also choose whether you want to add this to a group. Make sure to choose not in a group if this is your individual expense. After choosing all of your desired settings, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner, and now your payment will be added onto your defined category right away. In order to make this payment, you can simply tap on the Settle Up button and confirm that you have made this payment or that your friend has paid it to you. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment on your Splitwise account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.